And the news development. Yeah, heretofore we thought that it's government we should be funding research. No, I think government, yes, fund research, but government must create an atmosphere, that policy environment which will encourage the private sector to go research. And recent developments now are quite encouraging because Novartis, not Novartis, Nokia, Siemens just established a true research laboratory for the first time in our country, UP Science Park. And we are convincing enough. Novartis, the #1 pharma company in the country and #1 in biotechnology, should be able to establish here, as they're establishing or helping Singapore establish the Genome Center, and they're establishing a biotechnology center in Thailand. When we are proud to proclaim that the Philippines is one of the most biodiverse country in the world. But we're being bypassed by all these opportunities.